Hi there! Welcome to our channel's video on the importance of hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for our overall health and well-being, yet many people struggle to meet their daily water intake requirements. In this video, we'll explore why hydration is so important and provide you with practical tips on how much water you should be drinking every day. Step 1. Understanding the role of water in the body. Water is essential for various bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen, and eliminating waste products. It also plays a vital role in lubricating joints, protecting organs and tissues, and maintaining healthy skin. Step 2. Signs of dehydration. Being dehydrated can have negative impacts on your health and performance. Some common signs of dehydration include feeling thirsty, dry mouth, fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and dark-colored urine. Step 3. Factors affecting water needs. The amount of water you need to drink daily can vary depending on several factors, such as your age, gender, activity level, climate, and overall health status. It's important to be aware of these factors to determine your individual water needs. Step 4. The 8-8 rule. A common recommendation for daily water intake is the 8-8 rule, which suggests drinking 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. However, this is a general guideline, and your specific needs may differ. Step 5. Calculating your personal water needs. To calculate your personal water needs, you can use the following formula. Take your body weight in pounds and divide it by 2. The result is the number of ounces of water you should aim to drink daily. Step 6. Increasing water intake gradually. If you're not used to drinking a lot of water, it's best to increase your intake gradually. Sudden increases in water consumption can lead to water intoxication, which can be dangerous. Step 7. Staying hydrated throughout the day. Carrying a reusable water bottle with you can help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Set reminders to drink water regularly and consume water before, during, and after exercise or physical activity. Step 8. Incorporating water-rich foods. In addition to drinking water, you can also increase your hydration by consuming water-rich foods such as fruits, e.g., watermelon, oranges and berries, and vegetables, e.g., cucumbers, tomatoes and lettuce. Step 9. Monitoring urine color. One simple way to check if you're adequately hydrated is to monitor the color of your urine. Pale yellow or straw-colored urine is a good indicator of proper hydration, while dark yellow or amber-colored urine may signal dehydration. Step 10. Seek professional advice. If you have any concerns or medical conditions that may affect your hydration needs, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Conclusion. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal health and well-being. By following the tips and guidelines provided in this video, you can ensure that you're drinking enough water daily to support your body's functions and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Remember, proper hydration is key to feeling your best and performing at your peak.